This is what happens if you use castor oil before bed, on a daily basis. Hello there, and welcome back to the Health Channel, your ultimate destination for all things wellness and beauty. Today, we have a fabulous topic that's been cherished for centuries, but it's still the secret to unlocking a world of health and beauty benefits. Yes, I'm talking about the miraculous elixir known as castor oil. There is a reason this precious oil has been used for centuries now, often before going to bed. Are you ready to discover the incredible ways castor oil can transform your health and elevate your beauty game overnight? Well, let's dive right in. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you never want to miss out on our daily practical health and wellness advice. 1. Grow thick and beautiful hair with castor oil. Castor oil is like a natural elixir that can work wonders on your hair. Let's dive in and understand how it helps. Castor oil's magical touch lies in its composition and nutrients. These are like superfoods for your hair. When you apply castor oil to your scalp before bedtime, these nutrients start their journey into your hair follicles, which are the roots of your hair. As you massage it in, the oil seeps down to the roots, creating a nurturing environment for hair growth. This nurturing environment is crucial because it means your hair starts growing from a strong foundation. It's like building a house on solid ground, making your hair less prone to breakage and damage. Castor oil doesn't just make your hair stronger, it also makes it look better. Hair treated with castor oil naturally develops a shine, giving it a healthy and vibrant appearance. And apart from that, castor oil combats dandruff. Dry, irritated scalps can lead to problems like dandruff. Castor oil acts as a natural moisturizer for your scalp. With consistent use of castor oil, the true magic becomes evident over time. Your hair becomes fuller and healthier, with a visible reduction in hair thinning. By nurturing the hair follicles and providing the essential nutrients they crave, castor oil encourages new hair growth. From the roots to the tips, it nourishes and strengthens your hair, ensuring that it not only looks better but is genuinely healthier. In essence, the magic of castor oil for your hair isn't just about surface improvements, it's about deep and holistic care. It also fortifies existing strands, making them more resilient. It provides your hair with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive, strengthens it from the roots, and can even help with scalp issues like dandruff. Plus, it gives your hair a natural shine. So, with regular use before bed, you'll enjoy fuller and healthier hair. 2. Beautiful and healthy skin with castor oil. Castor oil is renowned for its exceptional ability to provide skin with a surge of moisture. When applied before bedtime, this oil, rich in essential fatty acids, acts as a natural barrier that prevents the loss of moisture. It effectively locks in hydration, eliminating dryness and leaving your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated in the morning. The science behind this magic lies in castor oil's composition. Its primary component, ricinoleic acid, forms a protective layer over the skin. This layer functions as a seal that traps moisture within the skin, preventing it from evaporating into the dry nighttime air. As a result, your skin remains consistently hydrated throughout the night, ensuring that you wake up with a refreshed and revitalized complexion. Castor oil's ability to maintain moisture helps alleviate dryness, transforming your skin into a soft and supple canvas. It is especially effective when applied to areas that are prone to dryness, such as the elbows and knees, rejuvenating their texture and appearance. 3. Thicker eyelashes and eyebrows. Castor oil offers a natural solution for achieving fuller and thicker eyelashes and eyebrows. Its nourishing properties can help reduce your reliance on cosmetics to enhance these facial features. The mechanism behind castor oil's efficacy is attributed to its nutrient-rich profile, notably its omega-6 fatty acids. When applied to eyelashes and eyebrows before bedtime, castor oil penetrates the tiny hair strands, nourishing the hair follicles. This nourishment creates an environment conducive to hair growth, fostering both length and thickness over time. The process is gradual and requires consistency, but it's a safe and natural approach to enhancing the appearance of your eyelashes and eyebrows. With regular use, you'll notice a positive transformation, ultimately lessening your dependence on makeup and improving your overall facial aesthetics. 4. Wrinkle prevention and reduction overnight. By gently applying castor oil to fine lines and wrinkles before bedtime, you're not just moisturizing your skin, but also giving it a rejuvenating boost. This process creates a plumper look that diminishes the appearance of wrinkles and can even help prevent new ones from forming. The science behind this is rather straightforward. Castor oil's richness in fatty acids plays a key role. When you apply it to your skin, these fatty acids deeply penetrate the skin's layers, promoting hydration. While hydrated skin is more elastic, which helps to smooth out existing wrinkles. Moreover, castor oil doesn't just work on the surface. It also stimulates collagen production, a vital protein that maintains skin's firmness. By increasing collagen levels, castor oil helps your skin regain its youthful, supple appearance. This doesn't happen overnight, but with regular use, you'll gradually notice a reduction in fine lines and a smoother complexion. For more on boosting collagen levels, watch our video about collagen boosting foods, and our video about collagen boosting drinks. 5. Nail and cuticle care. Castor oil's benefits extend to your nails and cuticles as well. Massaging this nourishing oil into your nails and cuticles helps to strengthen your nails and keep your cuticles healthy. The magic here lies in the oil's nutrient-rich composition. Castor oil delivers essential nutrients that are vital for nail health. When you apply it to your nails and cuticles, these nutrients get absorbed, fortifying the structure of your nails and preventing breakage. This process also helps to keep your cuticles well nourished. Healthy cuticles provide a protective seal for the base of your nails, safeguarding them from external damage and infections. With regular use, you'll notice that your nails become stronger and less prone to breakage, while your cuticles stay in good condition, contributing to overall nail health. 6. Lip balm. For soft, plump lips, castor oil serves as a natural lip balm. Applying a small amount of castor oil to your lips before bedtime keeps them soft and moisturized, ensuring dry, chapped lips become a thing of the past. The science behind this magic is grounded in castor oil's emollient properties. It forms a protective layer on your lips, preventing moisture loss and shielding them from harsh environmental factors. Moreover, castor oil contains triglycerides, which help to lock in moisture. When applied to your lips, these triglycerides work to keep your lips hydrated throughout the night, ensuring they remain soft and supple by morning. This natural lip balm not only ensures your lips stay moisturized but also aids in healing chapped or cracked lips. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain the softness and health of your lips, contributing to an overall youthful appearance. And there you have it. The astonishing wonders of castor oil before bedtime are truly a game changer for your appearance. From nourishing your hair to enhancing your skin's radiance, castor oil is a versatile beauty staple you simply can't do without. But hey, we're not done yet. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on more incredible health and beauty secrets from the Health Channel. If you've tried castor oil before bedtime and experienced its remarkable benefits, share your stories and tips in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay radiant, stay healthy, and remember, your beauty and wellness journey is just one castor oil treatment away. Thank you for watching and see you soon on the Health Channel.